car. No, that's Tinkerbell friend. No one wants the name? Whoa.
That was like a booty bump.
I have one. Go outside and ride my bike.
Yeah, we can go outside and ride your bike. Adam, can you tell me what are these stickers for?
I don't know. For potty. For potty.
What are they for, Abby?
Potty.
For going potty? Without what?
Wet.
Without accidents?
Ow.
You get a sticker?
No.
You get a sticker without an accident with a potty break?
No.
Yeah.